Because our group loves the song so much, we're going to do it again. This is one that we've done on the first day. It's called Atqana. And again, this one is about giving thanks, or it's a dedication to our namesakes. Atqana.